So we have done it again.
We're driving cars on a Mars tonight. We're blasting off to the stars tonight. We wanna go.
Hi, my name is Tony Norton. I am Operations Manager and I've worked at Sotech for 10 years. What I love most about working for Sawtech is the people. I think the people are I've made some great and special friends here, and I think it's a very enjoyable place to work. Right, let's take you to the shop floor. So this is the main plant where we have 4 CNC presses, 1 Pullmax, 1 Salvagnini, and then our Fabs Bay. Various jobs on the shop floor for various sites. Right, there isn't a typical day. There isn't a typical day. Every day is different. Every day is a challenge. There is a backbone to that day. You know, we have a plan for the products going through, but like everywhere, you get maintenance issues, you get problems, but if it happens, you have to deal with it. This is our Mill Hill plant. This is where we do all the extrusions and all the pre-coat aluminium. So if you want to just come in and have a look now, see all the guys. Even now with the vehicles and transport and getting things to site, phone calls from customers, that they change the way they're installing things, they're going to a different elevation. All that can change your manufacturing path. So every day is different. There is no standard day. So this is our radon department design. Second part of the process really. After order, I get the job sheets. The job sheets come down, work goes in here, and then it's shared out amongst the designers in the office. The single panel is just as important as the 200 panels. It's crucial that we got those panels to site. Customers themselves, obviously very important in all this. They are the key to our success. I believe that the people we deal with are just genuinely nice people. They've got a job to do. We need to service them. We need to make sure that they get what they want when they want it. The idea is you do build it when you get new people. You do build up a relationship. The guy on site is the key to all this, and make it a point of getting to know these guys, visiting sites when I can. Steve, what you're on with at the moment, mate?
Pot the mills, just waiting for them.
So how many have we got out the way today?
2 jobs.
2 jobs. So there's another 2 to do, yeah? But this is for Strawberry Place up at Newcastle, and actually some of the panels have strawberries in them, which is a great part of the project. One of the biggest challenges we have at the moment is our workload. That said, it's a good position to be in. The planning and the project planning is crucial to how these flow through the business. So we're coming to probably, in my 10 years, probably the busiest we've ever been. It's one of the daily challenges we have, and it's become more relevant this year than it has any other time, and I don't know why. Maybe that is because shortage of materials on site, but the fact is that it does affect the way we produce things. This year I was 60. The day after I woke up, I didn't like it. I didn't like being 60. I still don't like being 60, but it is what it is. The fact is that I do have a lot of energy. I do want to drive this company forward. I like to come into work. I'm always in at work at 6:15 on a morning. I wouldn't ask the guys on the shop floor to do anything I wouldn't do. So, you know, if they're coming in early, I'll be in early, and by me going on the shop floor, as I do every morning, making sure everybody's working on the right job, the right project, it drives them and it motivates them as well. So I think that's very important. Chris, that's the one, yeah? Right, okay. This is the Calvin where we're doing all the maintenance work at the moment. Nathan, you alright? So we're just doing all the maintenance at the moment, yeah?
Yep.
Right, so this is in between jobs which we have to do on a regular basis. So how often do you do this then, Nathan?
We get a maintenance manager on there that tells us every day, week, month,
Brilliant.
whatever's required we do.
So we keep it clean, you know, it's our Rolls-Royce machine. It's something that we just need to keep going. Weekends are very special, obviously working very busy during the week, and it's full on. Weekends are start on, say, Friday afternoon, you know, when we finish work. However, always have me work mobile on me for 2 or 3 hours afterwards, looking at me emails. I like taking the dogs for a walk. I love my walking. We've just got he's 2 now. We have Henry that's 8, and we have Trevor that's 2. Trevor is a Cocker Spaniel. Henry is a Springer. You think I've got a lot of energy, he's got 20 times more energy, so it keeps me fit. I'm part of the management team, you know, managing the company, making sure that everything's done, from insurances to, you know, ISO, the accreditations that we all need to work towards, and making sure we keep that on the right path. This is a little side project. Obviously, at the moment, this is the office bait room. We are now investing a little bit of money in here, where we're going to put some sofas. We're going to put coffee tables. You know, a little bit more relaxed, let's say. We're coming up with some ideas of what we're going to call it, and I've come up with the Optima Lounge. If I can think of something else, or anybody else has got any other ideas, you know, we're gonna discuss it amongst us. But it's going to be something that, you know, everybody can enjoy. It can also be a workspace that's slightly more relaxed than, you know, sitting next to a phone or a computer. You can come in here and work. But when it's finished, I'm sure it's going to love the business. What makes it worthwhile is that I believe that throughout my career I've worked on some fantastic projects. We've done some challenging projects, and there is, you know, in every city, or most cities in the UK, across the skylines, you'll see a Sotech building. I used to get on the kids' nerves because I used to say, your dad did that, but actually I didn't do that, the team did that, and everybody's done it. So we're coming back to where the guys do all the packing. So we have our own labels. So these are all printed off, stuck on the pallets with our barcode system. The guys are repacking materials that have come back from the quarters here, and then it goes in the yard. And the yard has all the products that actually, you know, are going to site. So it's all planned, and the transport gets planned to take them to site. So we have, like I said earlier, there's about 30 projects on the go at one point. It is important to me that, you know, there is a work-life balance, and close family and friends are very, very important. You know, I had some wonderful news this year where my eldest daughter is having not just one baby but 2. So she's having twins. I can't say how excited I am. It is just wonderful, wonderful news. So that was Katie, who's having the 2. Naomi's having 1, and Emily's in a relationship where she's moving to Hartlepool. So everything's looking good for the family. I think being able to help your children on that path is something that's very important to me. But at the same time, the friendships that I've made at work are some of them very special.